Phi Phi Islands and Tony Jaa. The perfect blend in one video. Join us in a video that seamlessly fuses the allure of Phi Phi Islands of Thailand with the action-packed world of Tony Jaa. Discover the beauty of Phi Phi and the legend of Tony Jaa in one thrilling adventure. This is a journey you won't want to miss. Hello my dear friends, I am Tohid Setaredan, your guide to the wonders of the world on the Tourism with Setaredan channel. Together we explore extraordinary global destinations and dive into the amazing lives of local superstars. Subscribe now for unforgettable adventures and unique insights. Your journey begins today. Discover the enchanting Phi Phi Islands. Are you ready for the adventure of a lifetime? Picture pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and lush tropical landscapes. Now imagine yourself in this paradise. Welcome to the Phi Phi Islands. Located in the heart of the Andaman Sea, this stunning archipelago is a true gem of Southeast Asia. The allure of Phi Phi Islands. Phi Phi Islands, which are a part of Thailand, are renowned for their captivating beauty and vibrant culture. With their tranquil atmosphere, these islands offer a peaceful retreat for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. However, Phi Phi is not just a destination for relaxation. It's also a playground for adventure seekers. Historical and geographical insights. Phi Phi Islands consist of 6 major islands, each with its own unique charm. The largest and most popular islands are Phi Phi Don and Phi Phi Leh. The islands are characterized by dramatic limestone cliffs, clear emerald waters, and vibrant marine life. In fact, Phi Phi Leh was the backdrop for the 2000 movie The Beach, starring Leonardo DiCaprio. The history of the Phi Phi Islands dates back thousands of years when it was inhabited by sea gypsies. Over time, the islands have seen various influences, including Chinese and Muslim traders. Today, they have become a beloved tourist destination, offering visitors a taste of both natural beauty and local culture. Beaches that take your breath away. Phi Phi Islands are renowned for their breathtaking beaches. Some of the must-visit ones include 1. Long Beach. This expansive stretch of pristine sand is perfect for sunbathing and beach games. The clear shallow waters make it ideal for swimming. 2. Maya Bay. Made famous by the movie The Beach, Maya Bay is a picturesque cove surrounded by towering cliffs. While it was closed to tourists for a while to allow for environmental recovery, there are now limited opportunities to explore its beauty. 3. Monkey Beach. This unique beach is inhabited by playful macaques. Visitors can watch these fascinating creatures from a safe distance while enjoying the beauty of the bay. 4. Loh Samah Bay. The vibrant nightlife center of Phi Phi. This beach is surrounded by bars and restaurants, making it an excellent spot for evening entertainment. Hotels and dining in paradise. Phi Phi Islands offer a range of accommodations to suit every budget, from luxury resorts to cozy beachfront bungalows. Here are some top picks. 1. Zeavala Resort. A luxurious and eco-friendly option, Zeavala Resort provides an unforgettable island experience. The resort's restaurant offers an array of delectable Thai and international dishes. 2. Phi Phi Island Village Beach Resort. Nestled amidst lush tropical gardens, this resort is a haven of tranquility. With various dining options, it's perfect for foodies. 3. Phi Phi, the beach resort. Affordable yet comfortable, this resort offers easy access to the vibrant nightlife of Phi Phi Islands. 4. Budget-friendly bungalows. For travelers on a tight budget, there are numerous guest houses and bungalows available. These provide the essentials for a comfortable stay while allowing you to spend your money on adventures. The dining scene in Phi Phi is just as impressive as the accommodation options. Enjoy fresh seafood, traditional Thai dishes, and international cuisine at various beachside restaurants. Be sure to try some of the local delicacies, such as green curry and pad thai, for an authentic culinary experience. Adventures await. Phi Phi Islands are a hub for adventure enthusiasts. Whether you're a water sports fanatic or a nature lover, there's something here for you. 1. Diving and snorkeling. The islands boast some of the most incredible underwater landscapes in the world. Explore colorful coral reefs, encounter schools of fish, and maybe even spot a majestic sea turtle or reef shark. 2. Hiking. Trekking through the lush jungles of Phi Phi Don can lead to spectacular viewpoints, offering panoramic vistas of the islands and the Andaman Sea. 3. Island hopping. Take a boat tour to explore the smaller, less visited islands surrounding Phi Phi. Discover hidden lagoons, hidden caves, and secluded beaches. 4. Rock climbing. The limestone cliffs on Phi Phi Don offer excellent rock climbing opportunities for both beginners and experienced climbers. Nearby attractions. While Phi Phi Islands are a paradise in themselves, there are other nearby attractions to explore as well. 1. Phang Nga Bay. Famous for its limestone karsts and emerald green waters, this bay is just a boat ride away. Don't miss the iconic James Bond Island. 2. Krabi. A short ferry ride will take you to the stunning province of Krabi. Here you can explore Railay Beach, Thang Tiao Forest Natural Park, and Wat Tam Sua Tiger Cave Temple. 3. Phuket. Thailand's largest island, Phuket, is not far from Phi Phi. Discover its vibrant nightlife, visit the historic old town, and relax on the famous Patong Beach. The time to visit is now. Phi Phi Islands are a piece of paradise on earth, and now is the perfect time to embark on your adventure. Whether you seek relaxation, adventure, or a bit of both, Phi Phi offers a magical experience that will leave you with lifelong memories. So pack your bags, explore this stunning archipelago, and create your own paradise story amidst the Phi Phi Islands. The adventure of a lifetime is calling. At this moment, I invite you to discover the achievements, secrets, and fascinating biography of Tony Jaa. Tony Jaa, a name synonymous with jaw-dropping stunts and unparalleled martial arts prowess, was born as Panom Yerom on February 5, 1976, in the Surin province of Thailand. From his humble beginnings in a small village, he has risen to become one of the most celebrated martial artists and action stars of our time. Tony Jaa's journey to stardom is an inspiring tale of determination and passion. Raised in a traditional Thai family, he was deeply influenced by his father, who taught him the art of Muay Thai. This early exposure ignited a lifelong passion for martial arts. Later, he trained in various disciplines including Muay Boran, Taekwondo, and Wushu, honing his skills to perfection. Jaa's rise to international fame began with his iconic role as Kam in the 2003 Thai action film Ong Bak Muay Thai Warrior. The film showcased his extraordinary combat abilities and became a global sensation, earning him critical acclaim. He followed it up with Tom Yum Goong and Ong Bak 2, solidifying his status as a martial arts superstar. One of the most remarkable aspects of Tony Jaa's success is his commitment to performing his stunts without the use of wires or special effects. His dedication to authenticity is awe-inspiring. The secret to his mind-boggling stunts lies in his rigorous training regimen and intense discipline. Jaa's ability to combine different martial arts styles seamlessly sets him apart from his peers, creating a unique and captivating on-screen presence. Tony Jaa's success can be attributed to his relentless pursuit of perfection. He takes a hands-on approach to his movies, often working as a choreographer, director, and writer. His humility and respect for his roots, Thai culture, and martial arts traditions have won him both domestic and international acclaim. Jaa's focus on delivering unmatched action sequences, breathtaking choreography, and a deep connection to his characters makes his work resonate with audiences worldwide. In conclusion, Tony Jaa's journey from a small village in Thailand to global recognition is a testament to the power of dedication and unwavering passion. His biographical narrative, coupled with his awe-inspiring achievements and unwavering commitment to authenticity, have firmly established him as a true legend in the world of martial arts and action cinema. His story continues to inspire martial artists and film enthusiasts around the world. If you enjoyed this trip and this video was interesting and useful for you, please click the like button to support us and write your opinion in the comments section. Also, share the link of this video with your friends and let them join our thrilling journeys. Get ready for a breathtaking experience in our upcoming video. We're taking you to the enchanting Bora Bora Islands in France, where you'll be mesmerized by pristine white sands and turquoise lagoons. But that's not all. We'll uncover the captivating story of French sensation Zinedine Zidane. Zinedine Zidane, renowned for his extraordinary football skills and unforgettable moments, has made an indelible mark on the global football stage. Join us for a double feature of natural beauty and sporting brilliance. Stay tuned and don't miss out on this exceptional adventure. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to enjoy this incredible content. Your next adventure begins soon. I invite you to enjoy one of the captivating videos in this section. The first video, which is at the top of the image, provides you with complete information about the Faroe Islands in Denmark and its beauty, as well as the biography and secrets of the success of Mads Mikkelsen, the renowned Danish actor. Meanwhile, the second video, located at the bottom of the image, presents a visually engaging puzzle, challenging your travel knowledge for a delightful and entertaining experience. Which one would you like to choose?